I really enjoyed just experiencing all these new things, and it was an amazing journey with them. This is my last year, so I want to share a funny memory. So one time we were at a hotel, and the fire alarm went off, and Jaylee, raise your hand, Jaylee. Raise your hand. She had to get out mid-shower, and she was like out with just her bath towel, and it was just really funny. But yeah, if there's anything they never fail to do, it's make me laugh. That's it, thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
我真的都比较贡献。
Let's go ahead and give them one more big round of applause.
家里为了洗头日上来，我店里花了工资上来要。
Yeah.
OK，老北母鸡也被杜节自当地呢是。
Yes, funny you should say that, because our next judge introduction, I just found out the other day, used to be one of my former students at Central High School about 10 years ago. Jacqueline Hyung was Miss Hmong team and Miss Hmong Central Valley in 2012 to 2013. She also competed and placed with various Hmong dance groups throughout the Central Valley. She also taught a junior group, Tango Ziflu, coached and sponsored another team that placed first in Sacramento Sea Games in 2015 and first place in 2016 in Fresno. Even after she married at the young age of 18, she didn't let the cultural barriers stop her from continuing her passion in dance and education. She went on and graduated from Fresno City College with her nursing degree and started her nursing career at community medical centers in 2018. When Jacqueline became a mother herself, she found a new profound passion in her career, working as an obstetric nurse, where she serves some of our community's high-risk pregnancies, mothers, and infants. Jacqueline continues to be passionate about her career by working closely with patients, families, and the community. Jacqueline enjoys providing guidance and support to younger generations about finding their passion, whether it is a hobby or a career.
我跟你种些还的，被跑运原来诶，有我被呀整经呀。
Yes, especially in our home community. I have to agree. Thank you for being here today, Jacqueline. Can we please give our judge a big round of applause?
Alright. 当地呢，班菜老到的，老被 Sacramento 了，我得到招财结下。 thọ đã áp quân thì đó đâu chạy kia xe.
Amazing job, ladies. All right. So, thank you. I'll give you a moment to breathe. My question for your team is, what would you say has been the most challenging obstacle during your team's process to prepare and be here today, and how did you overcome that?
Nè sa hai tia, nè chỉ nhà đã chỉว่า有答那个多西的路呢。
One obstacle we had was time management. Due to us being in school and working, it was really hard for us to find a set time to practice. But because of our dedication, we decided after work and school, we would come together late during the night to practice as much as we can. Because we are home-based, we do not have a stable practice destination. But us in Taikishia, we would like to take this time to thank the Hope Center located in Sacramento and VU's Black Belt Center for giving us their place and their time, allowing us to practice all of our dances here today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Taikishia. Let's give them one more big round of applause. Again, great job.
Okay. Còn đến đây nó bây giờ chỉ biết từ chia sẻ của Barbara Yang.
Thank you, Sang. Yes, Barbara Yang is our last judge today. She is a choreographer, a dance teacher, and dancer. Throughout the course of 6 years of teaching and dancing in the Central Valley, she studied contemporary arts, hip-hop, and Hmong dance. In 2018, she competed in the Common Unity competition and took second place with her team. That competition is happening here tomorrow on the same stage from 12 to 2 o'clock. I will be hosting again. We will have a lot of different dance teams come out, so come and watch that. She has been training in Hmong dance for 2 years and has frequently performed at cultural preservation events. Her goal in the future is to incorporate the Hmong culture into different forms of dance in order to preserve her heritage and expand out of the community.
Học quân thì đó đâu Barbara Yang.
Thank you, Barbara, for being here today. All right, as we wait for our scores to come in, I would like to thank HCNYC for giving us, Sang and I, this platform to share Hmong dance and culture with you guys.
Yes, 我找到那种多样的晒，我也 Serena 多少闪天了，天我找到 ACYNC 这也 Serena 了少闪天，这我考试的少那天呢。
Our hope is that even though we only had 3 teams and the 2 of us, we hope that you have enjoyed the performances and are proud of your teams.
他的阿婆在这đó trong ta họ bị bán chạy nó sao?
Coming up next, we don't have, but there will be a big performance for you guys, so stick around for that. After their performance, we will be right back here on the stage to do our awards for our 3 dance teams. Thank you, guys.
Okay, nhớ xong nè, chân lên sân tù. Nhớ xong chia nè, okay? Can we get a round of applause for the Hmong dance team again?
Okay, nhớ trong câu chẳng nhẹ cho sĩ trong phong như sau đời. Lúc bây giờ ra xong đó. Bây giờ thở chơi nó.
Bây giờ thọ chờ dày va nè, không có cho biết luôn nè.
Thở chơi chạy vào đó.
cái nhớ trong chúng chia đó cái này cái gì chúa nên sẽ đủ